Hi, I just bought this HomeRight sprayer. It's called a paint sprayer, so I want to try it just to give it a try. And we got some information here about the blue one that you can use for latex, you can use it for light paint, and the green one too. And we have the wrench for the adjusting. We have this black one, the yellow one, which is I'm gonna try it later. And we have the information here, so that tells you which one you want to use, what heads and what the spray. Now the air cap, which is the nozzle, the black one or the yellow one. So basically, if you're using the walls, you can use the yellow ones and the fences. If you use this at furniture, you use this black one. So you pop it out in, you open this area here like this, and then when you open it, you have this yellow cap you can put it in, and you have this one here, you see. So I'm using this red one, which is you can use for drywall and fences. The information is right in here. So it's red color is 4 millimeter, and it gives you wide of 10-inch to 12 spray, wall, ceiling, decks and fences, yellow cap. So that's how it works. You push this one, there's little springs in there, you put them with the holes connect, because this one are for the pressure. Let's see, it goes perfect in there. Yeah, and there is some things like you see this corners here inside. This one it hook up with this little holes in here. Then you put this one in, then you tighten it like this, and you have different patterns of paint. So basically you can go vertical or horizontal. You can go this way, it tells you horizontal and vertical. So on a 45 for round round circle. We got this brush here to clean inside. When you finish, you hook up this, when you unhook this, and then you start cleaning it with water. Make sure don't touch water in here or something. You just put water inside the container and spray it through, because here you have all the power and things, and you have little things here which is very important. There's a filter in here. You press this one and you pull. Yeah, come on. You see, that's a little filter that goes. You make sure you check this one if it's dirty or something, clean it. And I will try the paint and see how it's gonna look, then I'll give you a heads up guys later. Make sure to subscribe on my. This is the garage now, so it's almost done. I have all this paint that I did here, and tool I used is this one. This is called HomeRight spray. So I put some plastic there to keep it clean. Just and I have the grid here. This is some tire racks, and this is the HomeRights. This is how it looks.